Hello? Ah, mama goodness. How far now? I just dey house. I dey house. Eh? Okay, wetin be that? Jesus! Your husband buy you car. Wait. And gold. Hey! My sister! Car and gold. Oh, you see wetin I dey talk. You see better ma. My husband. My sister, forget that one. He never buy me anything. Never buy me. See your husband now. You get luck. You too get luck. How? I don't know where for you go see this man when I marry you. See you now, your husband dey do everything for you, everything. My husband no like my sister. God, congratulations, you get luck. E no easy to see better man like that. I dey tell you, e no easy to see better man. Look at the one when I dey with now. Common lipstick. He never buy me. I dey tell you, no be your husband buy car and gold. See my neck now. I get gold. My sister, God don bless you. Congratulations. E no easy. Oh, your husband well. Now better man. They no dey see the two. No be we wey go mistakenly end up with one man or the name of. Abeg, no. Okay, you will call me back. Your husband dey call you. Love wanted. Yeah. This your husband say I too love you. It's good, my sister. Okay, no problem. I dey wait for your call. All right. Okay. Oh, bye bye. Make sure you call me. Make sure you call me. I want hear more. Okay. All right. I tell you, I dey make up. I want reach for you. Not be like I take the work. Not be you get car, so not be you. I beg, thank God for your life. Okay. No problem, my sister. Bye bye. Hey, not be person. Mama, waiting.
Make I hear what? Okay, waiting.
Mama, you no know wetin dey happen. My friend, Mama goodness, that my friend wey dey live for the other street. Na him just come in now. Her husband buy am car and gold. No be pure gold. Wetin my husband don do for me? You see gold for my neck. You see anything? No be leg I take dey waka. You see better man. I don't know why God come punish me with this kind man. You see better man. Car and gold. You see better man. Oh God, this man, Mama, he go come meet me for house today.
Wait. Na me born you. You sure say na me born you. So you no get sense. Hey! So you no just get sense.
Mama, we sense.
So as hell,
Baba, we sense, Mama.
So you no get sense.
Mama, I get sense.
You get sense.
I get sense, Mama.
You get sense. Now you dey fool your husband. Now you dey curse your. Now cause you dey curse my in-law now. Now cause you dey curse her for another. Okay, he buy am car, he buy am gold. He buy am life.
Wetin my husband don do for me?
Wetin he don do for you? As you be so na so you be when he come marry you.
I be.
As you be now, every beer now don come out, you don fat. Na so you be when your husband come marry you.
Mama, na body wey God give me no be him. You know, say if I marry better man, if I don't pass this, if I don't package pass like this, if I don't package pass like this, Mama,
listen to me. Truth. I go tell you truth. Na me be your mama. If I no tell you truth, nobody go fit tell you truth for this earth. Listen to me. I don tell you before, and I go keep on. Dey repeat am. Be contented with what you have. Na English I speak. Yes, I speak am correct. Be contented with what you have. Help Jesus. Na Benin blood wey you carry, because Igbo woman wey I be will not be like this. Carry my blood, you no gree carry. Go carry papa blood. Be contented with what you have. Be contented with what you have. Now, so English speaker. Abi, no be so English speaker.
Mama, wetin I have now?
No be so English speaker. He buy am car. He buy am gold. He buy am this one. Na so he give am money, do am this one. You dey there. You follow am dey live for the house.
Mama, I no dey there.
You follow am dey live for the house.
No, Mama.
He buy am this one. He don call you now. He buy a good friend. Define friend for me. Define friendship for me. Osifo. define friend.
Now wetin don happen just now na my friend he call me her friend that's why he carry phone he tell me the good news.
I say make you define friendship. Wetin be meaning of friend?
Friend na friend, somebody wey be say you go fit talk to, una dey talk to each other. If you see anything he go tell you, just as the way he husband buy am car and go. Now he tell me as if he tell you now because na me be him friend, na make am tell me. Na that one be friend.
Okay, na you come make am be friend.
Now mama this my friend na very good person. He no dey lie.
Wetin he don do for you wey make am come be good person? Na he don good pass the man wey you put for house wey dey marry you. E don good now. Wetin I never see your definition of friend o. I still dey wait. Mama, I never see your definition of friend.
I don
okay, as e don your own definition of friend now be say as e don pick up this phone now, e don call you. I say my husband buy me this one o, my husband buy me this one. Okay, na him be friend. A good friend wey you be, as you dey curse your husband for phone, e no tell you say make you stop to dey curse your husband. E no tell you say make you don worry say God go bless you when your own time reach. You dey tell am say your husband no be better person. He tell you say you no just marry better person. Na him be good friend. Lis ten to me. Lis ten to me. I go tell you truth. I go tell you truth. If you like, you hear. If you no like me, you no hear. I don talk my own. I don train you to the woman wey you become today. Now you don become people mama because you don born many children. You don still become person mama. So wetin me tell you today, now you go still tell my grandchildren if they don grow. I go tell you. Beware of fake friend. You see this one wey call you so na fake friend, big one.
Mama no be fake.
Na fake
no
friend.
Be fake, mama.
Because a good friend, I no even know wetin you as a married woman go use friend dey do.
Why I no get friend?
Well, a married woman, you no need friends. This one now, your husband buy and this one, your husband buy. You no need those kind of people. You no need that. See now, he don tell you husband buy and this one, your husband buy and this one. He dey curse your husband, he dey follow you dey curse your husband. No be your friend. A good friend go tell you say, hey, as you dey tell you go say my I dey wait, I dey lis ten to wetin she dey talk for phone for you. I dey hear. I dey wait make she tell you say make you no dey curse your husband. As you be so your husband na your king. A glory of a woman na be your husband. Man, e no mean say maybe as you don pay your bride price. Man wey you put for house. Na be your pride as a woman. Na shame to you, na shame to your family. Say you dey curse your husband, say you dey bring your husband down before fair because of material something. Because of material something now, because of car, because you know wetin God go do for your husband. As your husband buy am car, he buy am gold, you go tell am say I hear I happy. Wetin you go do as a good woman wey you be, when I train you to be, na to kneel down, pray for your husband, hustle with your husband. Wetin do your hand? Morning and night you dey house, you go eat. Since when I come this house I dey look you work you no get.
I no be woman.
You no be woman no dey work. Wetin do you for hand? Na be like say because of this country wey una dey, be like say as dey share money dey give una now, una no come get value. Woman una no get value.
Mama no be so.
As dey share money now, month go end. Una I dey here now for over a month. I know how much you say they dey pay you. Month go end now, month never end. You don dey abeg government make dey pay you as if say you dey work. You get factory wey you dey here wey you dey work wey dey pay you. Na your right. Month never end. Na so as I dey to una compound na dey here na. Month when month go end o. Hey, abeg make dey pay. Pay you wetin? Na you work am. Na you work am. Man go dey house, man go go struggle come back. Instead of you to appreciate am. Instead of you to acknowledge your husband, follow and hustle. You born pikin me say you know the work. When me born you, may you shut up and dey talk. When me born you, I know the work. I know they go market. I know they go New Benin. I know they go kiosk. I know they go the market they sell.
Mama, that one.
I know they put you for my back. I go put you for this back. I go put you for this back. I go market. I go hustle. I go come sell. You go come use and go house wey me and your papa get today. Now our too sweat. You marry husband no mean say make you kill am because say no buy you this one, no buy you this one. For Bible they say husband and wife na wetin. When you go marry for that altar, your pastor no tell una say una two now be helpmate. He no tell you say una two be helpmate. Na wetin you talk, you dey put am for practice. You no dey put am for practice. Husband and wife na helpmate. Una two go pull hand. Wetin God don make una one. Mean say una two go pull head together to make family grow. Listen. As your husband, they call you husband, they do and this way, you congratulate and you don't even have to insult your husband. I don't train you like that, my pikin. You go follow your husband, you go hustle. Hustle with her, build the home with her. Struggle with her. Make you go find work. You find something you do. Not be online business people they do online. If you say maybe as your children small, they never reach to for you to work. You go find online business or you go find business, you go start and they do a small. Money go they come. You go use and they assist your husband. You don't have to. You don't have to put all the whole responsibility for the man head because he marry you. He no go fit kill himself because of you. He no go fit kill himself because of you. You see this kind one wey call you today? For my present now, as I dey talk, no waste time. How you even take the on the phone? Oya.
Man like this.
Oya, delete am. Delete the number comot for your phone, no be better friend.
Wait now.
Delete am, no. Delete am, no be better friend. This kind person no be better friend.
I don't delete am.
You don't delete am. You don't have to have anything to do with this kind person. This person wey even call you so, husband, they don pay a bride price.
Very soon they will.
Very soon.
Mm-hmm.
Na person wey no dey husband house o. Husband. Who be the husband? Okay, person wey no dey husband house na you dey use. Dey compare yourself wey dey under husband. You know see am under azu. You no see the kind person.
No.
Make she put gun. Make she put gun. You know see the kind person where you dey call husband. You no even dey husband house. Maybe na all those ones wey wetin una dey call am. Baby wetin una dey call am. Wetin una dey call am for here?
Mama, I don't know.
Baby mama. Na then you dey call your friend. If I make destroy your home, make you enter. No go get sense. Common sense, you go get her. This one no be your friend. I no wan see you with this kind of person. You dey hear me so? This is not your friend. And what are we trying to say? What we are trying to say about this video, don't watch this video for watching sake. Don't watch it because you want to watch it and know what we are saying. Beware of fake friends. Beware of fake friends. I repeat, beware of fake friends. All those ones calling you, my husband did this, my husband did this, my husband is the best, my husband is the best, making you to hate your own husband. My sister, treasure what you have at home. Because God that gave it to you knows the reason why he gave it to you. Your husband don't have today does not mean that he will not have. Am I communicating?
Yes, mama.
He does not have today does not mean that he will not have tomorrow. If your husband don't have today, my dear sister, hustle with your husband. Make it with him. Struggle with him. Don't be that woman that sits at home and eats and just give birth to children. Relax at home. No. Be that hustler. Because gone are those days where women are just all they have to do is just stay in the kitchen, cook, eat, sleep and wake up. No. Nowadays, women, they are in politician house. Women, they do politics. I speak good English. Women, they do politics. Women, they be governor. Women, they be entrepreneur. Women, they do a lot of things. Let us rise up. Let us don't depend on leave the whole issue on our husband. Leave the whole work on our husband. It's not so. So let us raise up and help our home and leave those fake friends, those people that are trying to bring out their life for us to emulate. Don't emulate such people. They leave them out of your life and live your whole life. Live a wife of a righteous woman. You don't hear me so? You like you hear.